Hi, I'm Foxy, this is Giuliano, all right, from the Breakfast Show Free Radio in Birmingham. We're here in a scout hut in Harborne, and the reason for that is that we had a call on the show from a man called Tom.
I'm wondering if you could help us out. We've got a problem. Our property is in desperate need of repair.
The roof is leaking, we've got damp problems, the scouts and the parent-toddler groups and the whole community, when they use this place, it's just not fit for purpose. So we said we'd help.
We did, and also did our friends at E.H. Smith. They said, look, we'll help you out as well. We'll give you all the bricks, all the damp stuff that you need. They are here with us to help us refurbish this whole place so it's perfect for the community. So, job number one, which we're very excited about.
Yes, we get to break things.
Which is why we're dressed like this. We're going to smash up the kitchen. How nice is this? The guys from Chamberlain's Fish and Chips have just dropped off some food with all the guys that are doing some volunteering and helping. I can't talk too much because I've got chips and pulled pork on top. Thank you. That's it, kitchen out.
Smashed.
In the skip, gone. New one's about to go in. Make sure you pop back later on in the week to find out how we're getting on. Not only is the new kitchen going in, we're going to start painting. So that's our next job. We'll see you soon.
Never a dull moment. Free Radio.